Yeah, hi, how are you guys doing? This is Mr. Patrick Great Wealth. So, I want to talk about how to make money without investing any money using Mara Exchange with the Mara Wallet app. That's how to make money without investing any money, and it's with the Mara Exchange and the Mara Wallet app. Okay? So this is very simple. I'm on the Mara Exchange site right now. So I'm going to show you how you can make money with Mara Exchange without investing a dime. You don't invest anything, and then you are going to be cashing out. So it's very simple. Now, on the Mara site, or the Mara website, we have what we call the Mara Champions Program. Now, with the Mara Champions Program, it says, would you like to earn money by helping the Mara community to grow? So, the Mara Champions Program is you helping Mara to grow the Mara community, and then you are getting paid every day. How do you like that? So, what is a Mara champion, or who is a Mara champion? A Mara champion, simply put, is you that is watching this video right now. You, no matter who you are, what you do, where you are, how you are, as long as you have a device, a smart device, whether phone, tablet, or laptop, you can make money without investing any money just because you are a Mara champion. And what does a Mara champion do? A Mara champion helps Mara grow the Mara community. So don't ask me, what am I going to be doing to make money? No, the answer is already here. It says, help the community grow by telling people to come and be a part of the community, giving them the link to your app, to your mobile application. Let them download the app and become members of the community as well. And then you get paid. Simple. No need to ask what you are doing. You are helping Mara grow its community. Thank you. So I've already told you who a champion is. Anybody. Whether you know cryptocurrencies or not, it doesn't matter. So who can apply to become a champion? Anybody. I've already answered that question. Anybody. Do you understand? Then what are the benefits? Very simple. When you first of all download the Mara wallet app, if you want to become a champion, one, you get $2 benefits for downloading. Two, for everybody you invite to the Mara community who download the app through you, you get $1 for each person. Now, when those persons refer others, you get 20 cents or 20% of whatever it is that those guys that you have referred, whatever they're getting, you're getting 20%. Do you understand? Then you have early access to the Mara exchange tokens when they are launched. You have early access. Do you understand? Now, when the persons who have used your link to download the Mara app, when our exchange goes live and then they begin to transact, you will be getting commissions for the rest of your life as long as they are transacting on the Mara exchange. What do you think about that? Then, of course, you enjoy brand collaterals as well, t-shirts, face caps, whatever, to support you in helping drive, traffic towards the Mara community. Those are the things you're doing, for God's sake. And you can do it online and offline. So you may not be good online and have a community offline, like your whole church, your residential association, your school, your community. Hello, just getting all of them to download the app, telling them about Mara. You're getting paid $1 for each person. Now, Users also get $1 for each person they refer. But the difference between a champion and a user is, for the champions, for every dollar that they earn when people download the apps through their links or get to know Mara through them, for every dollar that they get, half of it, 50% of it, comes to them as cash. Now, that's what the difference is. That's the deal breaker. So if I'm a user, for example, and I refer 500 persons, that's $500 because it's $1 per person, right? I would get my $500 when the exchange goes live as Mara tokens, right? So I can transact with it. I can try to get it out of the Mara exchange, right, for myself. That's when the exchange goes live later. But as a champion, if I get 500 persons, that's $500. $250 will come to me now, cash as my benefit. Now, you see the difference? Then the 250 will come later because I am a champion. That's the difference. All right. So, what's the next thing we need to talk about? What is expected of a Mara champion? Very simple. Every month, minimum of 100 persons download the app through you. Minimum of 100 persons. That's not much. Hello. If you spend your time, even on Facebook, reaching out to all your contacts, I'm sure you get more than 100 every month, right? So how do I apply? It's very simple. So now, because you're watching this my video, how to apply, um, in the description below this video, you will see how to download the app. I mean, the link to download the app. I'll give the link and the referral code. Also, I will give you the link to the Mara Champions form that you will fill. All right? And as the person referring you to the Champions program, I will put my details as well. So all you have to do, download the app through. You have to do it through the link of another champion, right? Download it through my link or my code, then fill the form, and then get back to me via my contact details, so that I will send forward your details to the department in charge of switching your app on as a champion. Very simple, very simple. So that's how we do it, right? Now, in this video, some other champions may want to use my video, all right, to reach others. Now, if you are getting this video from someone, please go back to that person that is sharing the video with you, all right? But for those who are getting this organically straight from me, you can check the description below. Thank you so much. God bless you.